Hello everyone. For you guys that are watching on TikTok and for you guys that are watching the replay on YouTube. Hello everybody, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. I bring you, as of lately, DeFi tutorial, crypto talks, value investing in crypto mostly. Feel free to ask questions, check the description, check my bio, all that good stuff. Let me tell you what I'm working on as of now, as of today basically, and hello, feel free to say hello everyone as well. I have signed up to be an affiliate partner with Token Metrics. If you guys don't know Token Metrics, who they are, 2017 veterans here. There's the owner, Ian Balina. He's the owner, and basically he, like 4 years ago, he made like an Excel with all like top 100 coins, top 1,000 coins, altcoins, like 4 years ago. And this Excel like went all over the internet. It was crazy, and he became super famous. He made insane amount of millions of dollars from his altcoin spreadsheet picks. And basically he started a company. He added some other people. He added artificial intelligence software. I don't know how it does that, but basically they pick crypto based on AI, artificial intelligence. So I made another PDF, another one. It's not live yet. It's gonna be free in a couple of days, which I will just put in the descriptions of my links and bios and all of that. You don't have to pay for that. Maybe put your email address or something. I haven't decided. And basically what I did, every month he's just, the AI says, okay, from like the top 500 coins, like the first 500, not the first 100, the first 500. That's the subscription that I did. The first 500, these are the coins that are gonna go up by, I don't know, like it says like price prediction, 20%, 30, 40, give or take. Now the financial advice, of course, it's AI based. So I searched like 30, 40 of those. I made a quick list of like 10, put it in a PDF, and I will put it on my links, most likely on my YouTube. So if you're not following me, check my YouTube for that. And yeah, this will be free, and if you gain value, then yeah, you can give back by checking my other PDF in the link in the bio for my top DeFi, which is my number one, of course. You guys don't know already, is Aave, AAVE, number one, basically number one DeFi protocol. I'm super bullish on DeFi in crypto. Super bullish on DeFi, and DeFi is where I assume the crypto will go up. Why I'm telling you this? Something else that I've done this weekend. Listen to this, it will blow your mind. I have sold cash secured puts on Ethereum, okay? On crypto. I use the DeFi protocol to sell cash secure puts on Ethereum. Again, full tutorial will be on my YouTube in about a week or so. Need to video edit, all that good stuff. It's so crazy. I sold a $2,000 cash secured put on Ethereum for this Friday. It's weekly. If Ethereum doesn't go, stays, let's say Ethereum stays above 2,000 by Friday, I get to keep my entire premium. If you guys don't know options, selling options for income, feel free to watch gazillions of videos about it. If Ethereum stays above 2,000, I keep my premium. If Ethereum goes below 2,000 by Friday, I keep my premium. But I also, whatever that I put as USDC will get converted to Ethereum at the price of 2,000. So I'm waiting for the dip. Everyone are saying, buy the dip, buy the dip. Okay, but I'll get paid until the dip comes. And if it comes, I'll be very happy to convert more USDC to Ethereum and get paid in the process. So what I see from all of this, that not just everything in the finance market moves into crypto. If I have an option now, and it is super early, but if I have an option to sell options, to sell cash secure puts, I can sell, what was it, $45,000 covered calls on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't reach 45,000 by this Friday, everything is good. I collect the premium no matter what. If it goes to, I don't know, 50,000, they sell my Bitcoin at 45,000, give or take. Not give or take, exactly. And I still get to keep my premium. And what did they say? The annual return for the investors about 50, 54, 57%. Passive income, just weekly sell options, all them or not on autopilot. You need to click that you approve the contract, but still a couple of clicks every Friday, and then that's it. That's unbelievable, so simple, and makes you more income than just selling, I don't know, covered calls on Apple 3 months from now, and you need like $10,000 to $13,000 to sell one covered calls on Apple, something like that. It's insane, and get what, 100 $200. Insane. So the returns, not only the returns, also the margin and error of safety on the crypto options side, you better believe it that this is the direction that everything is going. All the finance will move into crypto. There's another company, another crypto project that I'm looking at. They're trying to be Robinhood, worldwide Robinhood on crypto. So you can actually buy stocks, not synthetic stocks on synthetics, stocks, and you just worldwide, zero fees, super fast. There's so much stuff, so much innovation. That innovation is in DeFi. So open your mind, open your eyes, and see that you can get more bang for your buck in the crypto space instead of just, I don't know, buying Ripple, buying VeChain, buying Hedera Hash, or just putting your money in a high yield savings account. Nonsense. I see a lot of people are talking about that crap. It is crap. You think you'll become rich or wealthy or anything if you put, I don't know, your savings account in a high yield savings account that pays you what, 0.007? Okay, I can take a stable coin and get on Celsius BlockFi 8 to 10% annually. I can go even extreme and go DeFi and make 30% annually on a stable coins. How is everybody? Let's see what we got. So basically, as I said, go check my bio, top DeFi PDF. That's payment, $30. But another PDF is gonna drop in the next couple of days for token metrics with the picks for this month. I'll start do like a BitBoy, like a monthly token metrics, something like that. This will be on my YouTube links in the description for free, and probably, I don't know how, but maybe capture your email or some nonsense. Haven't thought about it, but this part will be free. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what we got. Let me read, and hello as well for everyone. I am back, baby. Okay, thank you for that. The greatest shitcoin on earth is Rocket Finance. Good to know. You are the best. Thank you. What's your thoughts about Phantom and reserve rights? Phantom started super crazy moonshot, like legit moonshot. Last month it kinda died off. Not just Phantom, Harmony One. Everyone just died off, and all the money just poured into Matic and Matic ecosystem. All the competitors of Matic that trying to help Ethereum. I'm insanely bullish on Matic. QuickSwap is a lot of money is pouring into that exchange in Matic. Yeah, the price went down to $500 from $800 like 2-3 weeks ago. People call it a scam. I call it an opportunity. Okay, not a financial advice. Let's see what we got. Zip the man, thank you. You told me about Matic and it made me some good money. Yeah, and yeah, and you can also stake it. Go watch my Aave tutorials. As of now, I get, what is it, almost 21.5% paid annually APY on Matic. Like paid in Matic on the Aave protocol, which I love and is my number one DeFi pick. My own pick. Do your own research. Cake or banana are good for staking. I like to eat. What is banana is the ape swap. That's also, I saw that name a couple of times. You was surprised. I also saw ape swap on Token Metrics. The AI actually picked it up for some gains, but I haven't put it in the PDF, so I don't remember how good it is. But that's yeah, it surprised me. As for Cake, yeah, a lot of people are getting into Binance to do everything that they can do on Matic. The key here, why Matic got exploded and Binance got exploded a whole lot before that, are the fees. There's no fees. There are fees, but they are so negligent that there's no fees. Less than a penny for like 100 transactions on Matic, and you pay, I don't know, 5-10 cents on Binance to do the same thing. You pay less than 1 cent on Matic to do the same thing. No one's gonna stake anymore or pool or liquidity, all that stuff on Uniswap. Unless Uniswap will convert themselves to Matic, just like Sushi. And Sushi getting a whole bunch of popularity, and people are using Sushi because they moved into Matic. And it's wherever the fees. I'm not gonna pay $200 just to put 2 coins in a Uniswap pool that pays me, sure, 20, 30, 40% a year. Can do the same thing on Matic and pay 1 penny on that, less than a penny. Same for Binance. So that's why those two got insanely popular, unless 1 inch already moved into Matic. Uniswap, their number one exchange so far, they're lagging, and other competitors are getting the share of the pool, of the pie, of the cake. How is it different from selling puts out of the money for stocks? It's the same thing with a lot of difference. The difference is it is weekly. Yes, we got those in stocks as well, but the margin is insane. So when Ethereum was 2,500, I sold the 2,000 puts for Friday for about 54% annual return. Okay, so Ethereum need to go down by 20% in a week for me to get assigned. And if you compound it for 52 weeks in a row, it comes to like, they say the math is like 1.2% a week if it expire worthless. So I collect like 1.2% a week, about 56, 57 total, something like that yearly. You don't have 20% margin selling weekly put options on a stock that you own. Sell me Apple for 20% down. Let's say Apple, how much? I haven't checked Apple for months, but let's say, I don't know, 120. That's 125, let's say, for the math. 20% from here is the 100. So you sell, imagine you sell on Friday. For next Friday, Apple at 125, you sell Apple 100 put, meaning that you need $12,500 cash, okay? Without, you don't have to own the Apple stock for the option side. So you need $12,500 cash, okay, not 10,000 because you sell the 100. You need $10,000 cash in your Robinhood account. And if Apple goes down 20%, I assume it won't, but I promise you that you're not getting 1.2% on your money on a weekly basis selling covered calls on Apple or Cash Secure Port. I promise you that you don't get that on a 20% margin. Maybe if you sell the 120, you will get 1%. I doubt that as well, but that's a possibility. You don't get 20% margin weekly. It doesn't work. So the margins are so wide in the selling options on Ethereum and Bitcoin. and the income is a lot better. But again, it is crypto, it is DeFi, it's all risk, and that's why you get paid more, because not a lot of people are doing that. It's not liquid. It is liquid. It's not mainstream. It's not used. Not a lot of people using it. So the people that are using it getting more piece of the pie. Same thing with DeFi. Same thing. Same thing. Hope this helps. Let's see what we got. Thank you for the follow, Mr. Jetro. I have 1,500 invested in crypto. Okay, should I sell some and try to get into DeFi? DeFi is crypto. Depends on you. Do your own research. DeFi is just it's crypto. Just coins in crypto that are doing finance stuff. That's all it is. No one says that the rest of the crypto coins, all of them are bad. I haven't said that at all. I'm just saying that for me, I start to see where the money flows. The money flows into the finance products in crypto. That doesn't mean that all the other coins will do nothing. Most likely, everyone will go up in a bull market, just like we saw, and a lot of them went down, just like we saw this month as well. How much do you need to start making money in DeFi? Good question. Shalom, shalom. Hello, hello. DeFi exchanges don't work on iPhone. I don't use my iPhone to do DeFi or crypto. Just open a laptop. Open MetaMask on laptop. Yeah. Crypto makes my head spin. Yeah, well, that's a good thing. That means that there's less people in this space, so more money to you if you are correct on your picks, because you decide to get over the hurdles that other people will not want to do. Matic, what are my thoughts about KuCoin? I used to like them I don't know, 3-4 years ago, the exchange. There's no really need to use them now with all the exchanges out there. What will you do with the 100x in crypto, 100k in crypto? That's a question that is beyond the far scope of this live, and I can't just throw an answer without knowing all the information in front of me. Tell them, my man, thank you for the follow. I'm good. Okay, I'm good too. Thank you. What's going on with ICP? Went down from 500 to 50 bucks. At 50 bucks, my comments got flooded that it's going to $0 or $4 or $5, and not a financial advice, but when I see that, it's time to buy, and it's already started correcting itself. The problem with people, not just crypto people, stock people, and retail trader as a whole, and I am a retail trader, I try to do the complete opposite of the average retail trader. They wait for the dip. They say, I'm gonna buy when this price happens. Suddenly this price happens, what do? No, I'm gonna wait another drop of 90%. Then I will buy. It never happens. In the rare case that the coin goes another 90%, they will not buy, because then they will say it's gonna go to zero. Okay? Because no one, I promise you, not no one, but 90%, I just throw numbers. 90% of retail traders did not buy crypto in 2019, the whole year, when prices went down for insane amount. Most of the people that bought crypto in the TikTok app that you see got into crypto, most of them January 2021, give or take, until April or even May. The last 6 months or so. That's it. But the insane amount of money was when you buy projects 2019, after like a year and a half of a bear market. So ICP went down from 500 bucks to 50 bucks, 55 bucks was the low yesterday, in less than a month since they became live on day one on Coinbase. And everyone that says I'm gonna buy below 100, now it's at 50. Now they're saying I'm gonna buy at 5 bucks and it's a scam. And if it goes to 5 bucks, which most likely won't, they will say I'm not buying that because it's gonna go to zero. They never buy. When will they buy? When it goes above 100 plus 200 and so on and so on. Same with Bitcoin. Everyone are still retail. Bitcoin at 39,000 now. Hopefully break 40,000 and keep moving up. And 2-3 weeks later, major altcoins will join. And 2-3 weeks after that, small altcoins will join. And 2-3 weeks later, the super small altcoins will join. 10 million to 50 million. All of those will join. And what about the people that are waiting for Bitcoin to go to 20,000? Probably will get in at that stage 2 months from now when Bitcoin is already at 50 plus. And all the altcoins are back to their May high. Basically like less than a month ago. Why? Because they listen to fear, and even if fear happens, they still won't buy Bitcoin at 20, 25 because they say, it's at 20 now. It won't. My opinion, let's say it goes to 20, 25, they say I'll buy at 10. Okay? They never buy at the price that they say that they will buy. Don't be not a financial advice. Just people need to make a plan and stick to the plan. That's all. Make a plan. When do you buy, how much, and when do you sell, and what price, and how much. Am I buying ICP? Just talked about it. Do you think Bitcoin will be break short term? Why not? Why not? El Salvador says they're embracing Bitcoin. Elon Musk says, hey, I only sold 10%. I'm probably gonna buy some more Bitcoin. Mexico, I heard, are gonna start embracing Bitcoin. All those news, and everyone are trying to scare you that Bitcoin is going to 2020. I don't care. I don't care. Get paid. Dollar cost average. That's what I do. That's what I do. You do whatever that you want. Hi Ziv, what do you think about Bitcoin recent pop? I just talked about where are you from? ICP. Wow, a lot of people are liking ICP. How do you feel about Habar in the long term? I haven't searched them. I see other people pumping it on TikTok. I don't know. There's 500 other coins that I like 10 others. I don't have an opinion on them. So you're putting out a new top 10? No. Is that what you are saying? No. Not at all what I was saying. Watch the replay. Pizza dip. Coins that are likely to price target for Ethereum by the end of the year above 0. Okay, don't care. Don't care about the end of the year. Stop thinking short term. Let's say you buy Ethereum now to 2,500, and by the end of the year, let's say it's 5,000. Okay, just for the example, and you sell because hey, it's the end of the year, and who knows what happened in 2022. 2,500 bucks, 100%. Great. You know how much taxes is short term? Last time I've checked, around 47% on short term capital gains on crypto. 47%. You want to do that? I will wait for a year plus or a couple of years, even better. And maybe stake my Ethereum, get extra passive income, maybe borrow against my Ethereum, get some Matic, whatever the case. Just you gotta see what are the repercussions, as they say. I think that's what they say, that's the word. When you actually sell. If you sell after a year, or if you sell 3 months from now, or if you sell less next week. That's all. That is all. What do you think about Habar long term? Again. Off subject, what do you know about MIL? Some new military finance token, never heard about it. What crypto do I recommend? Okay, ICP is okay, that's your opinion. I assume you make that ICP is a scam. Okay? I'm not trying to pick on you. Why did you say that? Because you bought it 400 and now it's at 60 bucks, that's why it's a scam? Okay. I respect it, but that doesn't make it a scam. Go ask Coinbase. Why did they list them on day one? Explain that to me. If it is a scam, or because you bought it 400 when it just came out and now you call it a scam. So what is it? I mean, that throwing stuff because you're losing money, that doesn't make it a scam. That means that you bought at 400 and now you're down 70-80% on a coin. But that doesn't mean the coin is a scam. That means you bought high. And now you want to sell low, you're angry, so you blame the entire world and you call the coin a scam. Okay, I would contact Coinbase customer support and say, hi, I bought ICP. Can you explain why is it on Coinbase? What made you pick ICP into Coinbase compared to 10,000 other coins out there? What made it to the list? Okay, and they're a public company, whether you like them or not. I'm bullish on doesn't say what. How do you feel about Habar again? My goodness. Let me tell you guys something. There are more coins out there than what you see from TikTok creators. Okay? There's so much more out there. You just need to research. There's more than Ripple, there's more than VeChain, there's more than Habar out there. Matic will be one of the survivors. I don't know. I hope so. ICP of an initial sell, yeah, private sell at $1. It is normal. The people sell when it was up. It's a good something, yeah. Coinbase stock came out at what, 450. The initial buyers got into Coinbase stock at like $4, $5, 30 cents 5-7 years ago, and they all dumped until it went to 250. So is Coinbase a scam because you bought? For example, because people bought at 450 on IPO day, then it went a month later to 250, does it make it a scam? No, it makes them buying high. That's all it does. Baby Shark token, I'm bullish on that. You guys are insane. Baby Shark token. Staking Cake and Matic, no DeFi, but who is doing the boring? The minions. I answered that. Minions are doing all the work. Basically, who is doing the boring? People are boring. People are leveraging their money into infinity to put on some shitcoins. I don't know why, but that's what people do. They take $1,000, they stake it in some protocols, or they lend it. They take another $500, and instead of doing something useful with that 500, they go and they buy, what was it, Baby Shark token. And now Baby Shark will do 100x. You know, that's the world we are in. How do you use DeFi as a borrower? It's in your wallet, in your MetaMask wallet. You can do whatever that you want with that. What people do with that, when they see free money, easy money, without going for so many hoops, boring, taking a loan, they just spend it on some crazy meme shitcoins. That's another problem that I can't solve. What do I think about Hog Finance? I don't know. Don't know them, basically. What's my price prediction for Matic for a year from now? Don't know, don't care. What's my thoughts about VeChain? Again, everyone on TikTok will flood you with answer about VeChain. I'm not one of them. How is your Defiant liquidity pool doing? Got out a day later, moved my money to, what was it? Titan, Ethereum, 7,000% on QuickSwap. Took that a couple of days later and moved it into Eddy Adamant for yield gen farm, 14 million percent of Titan rep Matic, and we'll see how that goes. And that's a video tutorial that I will do. So that's all profit money from Shiba. That's all it is. Don't put your life savings on stuff. Basically, it's all experimental. What crypto should I buy? You are a legend. Thank you, sir. What crypto should I buy? The ones that you did your own research and decided based on that. Is Mina Protocol. That's another name that the only time that I heard about it was like 2-3 weeks ago when a couple of TikTokers pumped it up all in the same day. and guess what happened once it came out? Probably dumped on you. Okay, other than that, haven't heard about it. Thoughts on Pancake Bunny? Similar to Cake. I don't use Binance. I really don't. I don't see a point to use Binance when I have Matic now, which is cheaper, faster, and it's super popular by Matic. I don't understand why people still use Binance. I really don't. Getting rise of Tesla safe. Best yield farm right now. Rise of Tesla. Interesting. My thoughts on Tron. That's gonna surprise you. I actually like Tron. Everyone likes to hate on Tron and Justin Sun and saying that let's short him and kill Tron and kill the BitTorrent, whatever that he holds. I like them. They're going into, not going, they already are, and trying to capture, I said it last week in my other live on YouTube, trying to capture the gambling niche. You gotta understand crypto, if the world is moving to crypto, and seems like it is, a lot of applications and everything moves into crypto, gambling will be there as well. And there's no like main number one right now. There's no Las Vegas, MGM, Caesar, they're not in crypto. So, but someone will get into crypto, someone will build a casino on the blockchain, fair, that you can't cheat. Someone will build poker, how popular is that? Poker tables, poker tournament, all on the blockchain, all legit. There's no scams. Everything, you can't fake it. You can't steal. You can't do anything. Everything is recorded. It will happen. And the companies that are building that, if it become popular, they will gain insane amount of money. And Tron is aiming for that niche. I think that, and that's what I said last week. I think that's why he got targeted in the drop 3 weeks ago. Because there's a lot of money in that niche, and they don't want him to, whoever behind the scenes, don't want him to make it, because there's a lot of money to be made in the gambling niche. One of my favorite honest content creator in crypto. Thank you for that. This is why Eudora cost average. Yeah, if you got in on ICP on day one at 450 and you put 100% of your money, now you can't pay rent. Let me give you some news. That's your fault. You should not have done that. Sorry, Momo NFT farming. Okay, thank you. I hope. Thoughts on Copiosa. Haven't heard about that coin. What's my thing about VeChain? People. Again, open your mind outside of TikTok. There's other coins that are not named VeChain. I don't have anything against VeChain, but there's 10,000 plus coins other than VeChain. It's not the only thing in the world. And it doesn't mean that it's going to make you the best ever results. And also, a portfolio doesn't consist 100% of just one coin. That's not a portfolio. I know this is a crypto stream, but any thoughts on Raytheon? Would be good to see a video on YouTube. I heard that name. I don't really remember. Is this the smoking company? I think. Don't remember. I'll take a look. But as of now, the YouTube channel, and yes, I did a lot of value investing in stocks and reading financials. The crowd doesn't care. The crowd cares about AMC videos, GameStop videos, and same for crypto. Ripple mostly, Ripple, Chainlink, Cardano. Those are the videos that are doing super well in YouTube and most likely in TikTok as well. So since I started like a month ago doing some DeFi tutorials, my channel got like extra 10,000 followers in like 2-3 weeks. My YouTube channel. It's insane. So I'll stick to that because I see there is insane demand for DeFi knowledge. People, as I said, YouTube is flooded by Ripple videos. That's not, there's other coins, there's other stuff. You can get 20, 30, 40% on a stable coin. Just stake it on Matic protocols, Matic exchanges, Binance exchange, stable coins, not even risk putting money on scary, scammy, shitty coins. No, just on stable coins. Instead of getting nothing from your bank, get 11% on Uniswap, 19% on QuickSwap, 34% on Defiant, and I'm sure there's tons of others on a stable coin pair, basically. No one talks about it. So since I started to talk about it, I got extra 10,000 followers. Because people are dying for information that has to do with making more money, but legit, not just go by Ripple because it will be worth 10 times the world GDP in a year. Okay, that's a nice thumbnail and clickbait. That doesn't mean that you don't bring value when you talk like that. Just get clicks because it's popularity contest, as they say. Ripple. Let's see what else we got. BlockFi. I love BlockFi. Huge valuation. Is this a good place to hold crypto? I don't know about BlockFi stock when they will go live. They said they want to do SPAC. I haven't followed them. I don't know what happened stock-wise, but yeah, a lot of people put their money. USDC, 8.6% basically annual return on a stable coin. 8.6%. Go tell this to any baby boomer that has, I don't know, $1 million to $3 million in his savings CD, that he can get 8.6% on the same dollars, not even in crypto, like it's on a company that deals with crypto. They won't believe you, but that's what happens. You're gonna call it a Ponzi. It's not a Ponzi. You just get paid instead of the bank taking all your profits. And of course, there's risk. Everything is risky with crypto, but don't put your life savings. But don't just think that because you get nothing from your bank, that's how it should be. Because it shouldn't be like that. So many people are in the middle of you and your money. In the bank, you take a loan. You know how many fees? Where all those fees goes? You take a mortgage. You take, I don't know, $400,000 mortgage. You know that in a 30-year time frame mortgage, you're gonna pay another 550,000 extra, give or take, on your third-year mortgage that you like I don't know, 3% cheap interest. Sure, the first 7 to 9 years you're just gonna pay the interest from those 30 years. That's like, I don't know, extra 200,000 or something like that. Then you're gonna start paying off your loan. Then you're gonna get hammered with refinance advertising from the bank because they know it's been 7 to 9 years. They got all their interest. Now instead of paying the principal, they're gonna start shoving down your throat. Go do refinance to 30 years more so you can start this process all over again. So for the next 7-9 years, they're gonna take all their interest yet again and bury you in more and more debt forever and ever until you are dead, basically. And who gets all those fees? Okay, who gets all those fees? The bank management, higher management, and the bank shareholders, and the dividend of the shareholders if the bank pays dividend. You as a bank customer, another person, not even the person that took the loan, or even if you did took the mortgage, you get nothing. You get nothing from those fees. So the same thing goes to DeFi, but the fees from all the transaction, loan, lending, borrowing, depositing into a pool, staking into a pool, lending DAI, lending USDC, borrowing USDC, guess who gets paid all those fees? The people that are using the protocol. That is all. That is all it is. There is no middleman. There's no third people. No one is taking a piece of or cut of your money. That's what DeFi is trying to do. So all I'm trying to tell you guys is to open your eyes and stop thinking that what you get from the bank is what it should be, and everything else that gives you a little bit back is a Ponzi or a scam. You got conditioned so badly to get treated so wrong. And DeFi and crypto is trying to change it. That's just for finance. Crypto has a whole other industries that are trying to change the way we do stuff as well. There's a company, Audios, I saw from Token Metrics, trying to be the next Spotify, but just without Spotify, without a company that takes a piece of your pie, piece of your fees. If you're a, I don't know, singer, entertainer, whatever. And all those companies will pop up and are popping up to just make your life a little better and then cut everyone that takes a piece of your money. Yeah. If someone can tell me what is the time, that would be nice. Favorite exchange to buy coins depends on the coin. Algo, I like that coin, just I don't know. It's kind of boring, so I forgot about Algorand, like most of us. Are we still in a bull market? I don't know. I hope so. I just dollar cost average. That's all. Ethereum or Bitcoin long term? That's up to you. How about regulation with this G7 meeting? Regulation should be here. It's not going to be here next week. Regulation will be here in the next year to 5 years. Not even a year. 2 to 5 years you're going to see regulation. And after that, most likely we're going to go exponentially higher. Is Hex a scam? That was my opinion a year ago. Haven't looked since. I assume it went insanely high since. 47 tax percentage as a new proposed rule or existing rule. I think it's existing. I'm not a tax person, so check it out. But still, if you sell crypto short term, the tax is insanely horrible. Insanely horrible. I bet they hold Polkadot Web 3.0 ICP is the near future. Polkadot, a lot of people are talking about Polkadot and Cardano for that matter. I'm not one of them, but that doesn't make them bad. That just means that I'm not in them or search them like the rest of the internet and YouTube. Any thoughts about Anchor? I heard good stuff. Again, there's so many coins. I gotta focus on a couple. ICP is a good buy right now, especially. Okay. Hi, just sending you love from Los Angeles. Thank you. Thanks for the great tips. Thank you as well. I'm new to crypto. I use Binance Exchange. Is it safe to stake on it, or do I do more research? Binance is safe, but I don't use Binance. I'm from the US. I don't understand how everyone in the US are using Binance. Number one, Binance.us is horrible. It's just horrible. There's like 10 coins out there to choose, and there's no other options to do staking, nothing. So I just other options that are much better than Binance right now. Do you stake your Quick? That's another tutorial that I need to do. After you get Quick, there's another Quick liquidity pool in QuickSwap. It's called the first one, like the default one. Nobody knew what it is. Dragon Quick. Some TikTok friends told me that you can actually stake your Quick there and get more Quick by depositing your Quick in the Quick Dragon Quick or D Quick, something like that pool, which is insane, and get even more Quick on your Quick. So if you're bullish QuickSwap and Token Metrics are bullish on QuickSwap, that's in my new PDF that will be in a few days from now, one of the top 10 for the month. That's another like compound on steroids, as they say. And you don't get those options in your bank. You never will. What about BAX? Haven't heard about that coin. I like your videos. Thank you, Crypto Joker. Where would you stake Cardano? I don't have Cardano, even though everyone on YouTube are shilling it like it's the next, I don't know what. I tried to stake 2 Aave on Aave for Matic, but the Ethereum fee is pricey. Why are you using Ethereum? Use it on Matic, it's free. Not free, but not even a penny. Only seems worth it for big stake. Watch my YouTube tutorial to move your Matic, Aave, whatever, all the coins from Ethereum, not all of them, whatever that you want. Try small, start small. From Ethereum MetaMask wallet to Matic MetaMask wallet, and then it's less than a penny to do everything you just mentioned. Thanks for your videos. Thank you. Your views on Curve. I love Curve CVX. And tomorrow on YouTube, I'm releasing a video about CVX, Convex Finance. They're trying to be better than Wi-Fi and stake Curve and make even more money on Curve than your Curve pools on Wi-Fi. And I'm getting super bullish, already got super bullish like 2 weeks ago on Curve Finance. They have like, what was it? Almost $3.5 billion locked in value. They started a month ago. They came out a month ago. $3.5 billion locked in Convex CVX Finance. Wi-Fi came a year ago, went from $30 to $90,000. By the way, that's $1,000 becomes, give or take, what, like $3 million in a year, something like that. If you bought Wi-Fi on day one, most likely you haven't, because nobody heard about Wi-Fi. But that's DeFi. That's the power of DeFi. So Convex Finance trying to be better than Wi-Fi with the protocol, so you can make even more Curve. And I know I sound gibberish, and 50% of you guys that are watching this don't know what I'm talking about. And that's what I say. Expand your mind into DeFi and other coins in the crypto space instead of just Ripple and VeChain that you see getting pumped on TikTok. There's a lot more to crypto in the space, in TikTok. Okay, I'm just starting and low spender. What DeFi do you think? Should I look into it? That's up to you. I got a few options on my bio. Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, same thing. Those are the ones that are pumping on YouTube. Polkadot and Cardano. Thoughts on injection, ING? I like them. I really do. I don't have a bag, but yeah. And Token Metrics also like them as well. Also link in my YouTube description stuff. ICP. Thoughts on Venus? Yeah, Venus is just like Maker for Binance. Same exact thing, just like Maker, which I love, but on Binance doing the same thing. Loan, lending, all that stuff. Basically. Thank you, Scott, for this. Thank you, buddy. Great advice as always. I've heard of Point Play. Haven't. Audio or Odios? Odios. Do not just buy. Go search. A bar again. Do you think there's money in trading crypto? Probably there is, but you want to pay 40-50% tax on your short-term gains, stuck at home all day, trade crypto? Really? 24/7 crypto? It's insane. Is GRT, the graph, good? According to Token Metrics, pretty good, yeah. And I like them. If they're gonna be Google of crypto, index everything that crypto has to say, someone needs to do it. And if they're the one that's gonna do it and become the number one, Google wasn't the number one. There was I don't know, there was a couple of indexes before Google. I don't know if they're gonna make it, but Google came after. What was it? Netscape, all those. I don't know. I don't even remember. It's it's a risk, but I don't see a lot of players in the space. Okay, let's see what we got. Do you think we'll win the bridge currency? Ripple, Bar, or Stellar Lumens? Don't know, don't care. I'm not in that any of those. I love Stellar Lumens, but that's just me. What coins do I recommend long term? Give me some, please. Okay. People, start learning by yourself. Okay, it's a lot better when you make the research, then you make the decision, and then you see that your decision is correct. You're gonna feel a lot better just listening to people on the internet. Just thoughts upon Pax Gold as a stable. Yeah, token metrics. I saw them. It's like the top 10 for the month or something. Pax Gold, they believe, not them, the artificial intelligent software that they use, believe that the gold is gonna go up in June. It's almost at 1900. Someone threw a number of 2,500 or something. I assume inflation, everything went up. Gold didn't go anywhere. But yeah, I haven't searched the coin specifically, code. I don't read code, but just in general. But if it's good enough for token metrics to, I don't know, talk about Pax Gold for the month, it's good enough for me. You know, where is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is gonna be? Don't know, don't care. Ask Jeeves. There we go. Well, what happens to it today? I think it got sold to some company. This was before Google. When did you start in crypto? 2017 at the bull market before everything come crashing on me. Basically, you're in my top 3. Thank you, along with Pablo and Nami Yamini. Okay, best crypto experts. Thank you. That's a good question. Is this Greece? It looks beautiful where you are. Thank you. It's the TikTok default screen. But yeah. Hello. Can you please talk about Solana? I like Solana. I really do like Solana. There's a lot of projects on Solana that I need to get into and search them. Are you talking about CVX? Yes. Curve and CVX. So Curve, and watch the YouTube tomorrow. Let me give you guys some DeFi tutorial in a nutshell. Curve came out a year ago, CRV, that's the coin, CRV Curve. It's a stable coin, not stable coin, it's a stable coin protocol where you stake stable coins, DAI, USDC, or Tether, and you get, I don't know, let's say 10% a year, which was great. It's great, 10% a year on a stable coin. This was a year ago. And I really liked Curve. I talked about it around 75 cents. It's like $2 now, something like that. It started at 50. It came down to like 30 cents. Anywho, so you get 10% or so on your stable coins. Along came like 2 months later, Wi-Fi came to the game, like that was last year, and said we're gonna take your 10% curve that you get on your stable coins, but we're just gonna bounce those stable coins that you deposit between all the protocols, all the exchanges. So let's say Uniswap gives you 12%, we're gonna take your stable coin and put it on Uniswap. The next day, Balancer will give you 15%. You're gonna take your money from Uniswap, put it on Balancer, and so on and so on. You don't do nothing. That's why Wi-Fi got exploded. So now you're getting, instead of 10% on your stable coins in Curve, you move to Wi-Fi and you get, let's say, 15% in Curve plus Wi-Fi, something like that. That was a year ago. That's why Wi-Fi got exploded, plus the low market cap and all the coins are in circulation. Fast forward to today, like a month ago, CVX came along, Convex Finance, and they're doing the same thing that Wi-Fi does, only better. I don't know how. They do like a curve booster, so you're getting CVX coin plus CRV coin, but your yield on your stable coins, instead of, I don't know, 15% on Wi-Fi, it's like 180, or last time I checked, or something like that, 60% CVX, another 100% CVR, just insane on top of insane. That's why it got like $3.5 billion locked in less than a month, and Wi-Fi has 4.5 billion locked in a year. So CVX, yeah, complete video tutorial how to use it, launching tomorrow on YouTube. So if you're not a subscriber, check my bio for that. And guys, tell me what is the time, because we are at the end of the questions. My thoughts on reserve rights, haven't really searched them, but many people saying that it's like super good, including token metrics as far as I've checked. What's my favorite project? Aave, yeah, DeFi Aave. Do you stake it? Yeah, but I just bounce pools to pools. Playing with the degenerate chat pool lately on Adamant, Eddie. Go, don't check it out. It's insane. It's like 14 million percentage. Started like 48 hours ago. It's freaking crazy. Yeah. Basically, you should make a coin and we will all pump it. What's the pre-sale date? Sure. You can stake at Coinbase as well. Yeah. Thank you for the follow. Did you sell your Doge? Polydodge is not Dodge. It's two different coins. Completely two different coins. What's my favorite color? Okay. That's interesting. 11:28 a.m. Australian time, so I assume it's 9:28. The 30th, so we reached the end of this video. You guys, if I bring you any sort of value, follow me, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, whether you watch it on TikTok or YouTube. Check my bio, check my description, top DeFi PDF. Token Metrics PDF is gonna launch in a few days for free. Just you just subscribe and you will get what you need to get. AMC, bye. Okay, let me give you unpopular opinion before we wrap this up. AMC will not, I repeat, will not go to $100,000 price. Okay, not a popular opinion, but most likely they will not go to $100,000. If you think they are, that's on you. With that being said, I appreciate all of you guys, and I will see you next time. Yeah, bye bye.